Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your RAZER Opus X. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And after that, just click on your headphones at the device list, and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So, press and hold at the power button to turn off your headphones. Now we disconnected these headphones from the phone, so press and hold at the power button again to turn on it, and it will reconnect to your phone. And we have connection again. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So press and hold at the information icon, just press at the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, as you can see, it automatically entered to pairing mode. So just click on it as a device list, and we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So press and hold at the same time at the volume up and volume down button until your headphones turn off. Sorry. And I'm just press and hold on it. Here we go, and now is turn off. So firstly we need to remove it. Forget the device, forget device. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after that press and hold at the power button to turn on it. You don't need to wait until these headphones enter to pairing mode, because after hard reset it enters to pairing mode automatically and you need to just turn on it. Now click on it, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!